What's up, bloodies? It's Fine Panama.
SHAMELA Jeffrey.
And we're here with the makeup tutorial for you.
Do you know what look we're doing?
Nope. Do you?
I think I'm gonna do.
Well, we said red lip.
Yeah, like the nude eye.
Right, so like a brown or what? Like, ooh, this color is pretty. The tan and brown is too.
What the fuck is that? Oh, another color. Did you drink all your daiquiri?
Hell yeah, you know I drunk that shit. How was that sad? You know what the lady said?
Fast as fuck.
But the lady said that it's wine based.
Yeah, I know. Chuck told me, and I didn't know
So that means it's not like I'm an alcoholic. It's like,
no, bitch, you're definitely a fucking alcoholic. I didn't know they don't sell alcohol on Sunday in Cali either.
well, you know, normally I'm praising the Lord on Sunday. I don't really be trying to.
Bitch, stop lying. You going straight there.
I'm just kidding. I don't know. I don't recall like trying to get drunk on a Sunday, but I know that
You just did that today. What do you mean?
right. But what I'm saying is in California, I don't recall that. Damn, bitch. Who is you?
Bro,
The
what's wrong
fucking.
with your kids?
That's your kid.
That ain't mine.
You don't know your son's voice?
That wasn't it.
It was. I don't my fucking elbow.
Or what?
Remember that time you gave a bitch 2 black eyes?
Yeah, let's talk about that.
That's
let's
so
talk about
fucking
that.
funny. Listen, my sister gave a bitch 2 black eyes. Not 1, but 2. And that bitch came to fight me. My sister 2-pieced that bitch.
And I was younger than her.
Yeah, I was too. That's funny.
I
remember you just dragging
because we were in the
her.
house and she was trying to fight you or something, and she said something and she spit on me. But she was talking.
yeah,
She was too
yeah.
fucking close to me, and when she was talking, she spit on me. So I hauled off on that hoe. I think I took my earrings out first.
That story time is just funny as fuck. Or the time he fought that stupid bitch Alma at the mall. I mean, at the beach. And Chile.
Yeah,
Is that
and
her
then
name?
the bitch gonna say that she beat me up.
Bitch,
Bitch, you didn't
please.
even get the fucking chance to touch me.
Not at all, dude.
Nasty ass.
You're
cheek
crazy,
kissing.
bitch.
She just blabbing off out her mouth, so I threw a water bottle at her.
Poink. Damn.
Just talking, just keep talking. You wasting breath.
Right, bitch, don't you need that breath?
Whole time your fucking cheeks creaming at the mouth. That shit look nasty. That's why I never
that
got
shit
this
was
cheek
nasty as
piercing.
hell.
She had gangrene in her cheeks.
Facts. Where's Hubba?
I'm a ninja.
Where is my son?
Probably asleep. I don't even hear him.
He sleep?
Yeah, but the eyes are open too.
So,
So how the fuck he sleeping? His eyes are open.
that means that he's tired of getting his ass whooped.
Soleil, leave him alone. He don't want to play with you no more. Punk ass little boy. Crap damn much.
Can we do me slowly?
And that's why I beat that bitch ass, because she spit on me.
Right, that's true. That's disrespectful as fuck. But she didn't mean to spit on
I
you.
don't care if she meant to or not. Spit came off her mouth and hit me in my face. Go take a nap, nigga. Come on, damn crying. Bro, I'm about to cut his vocal cords out.
Remember when mom ran over my foot? You weren't there, but I was.
Duh, she ran your foot over, stupid ass. Where was I?
I was getting dropped off at school. I don't know where you were. I was in middle school, so where would you have been?
In high school?
Right.
I was about to see. He's on his phone.
But can't you play on the TV?
Yeah, but I don't feel like doing all that. You turn it on. I mean, I don't know that.
You always tell me to do something.
Yeah, 'cause I don't feel like it. You're trying to draw my line. Told you it was your mother.
Did you hear that? Your mother. Your mother.
What the hell? Why is you all in the camera? What's wrong with your mom?
What are you guys doing?
What does it look like we're doing?
Don't get smart. I still can pass out ass whoopings.
Yeah. come
You
with
always say that. Like
And I
when
like to whip them ass. Y'all got some juicy booties.
Wow.
you're a molester, bro.
Period.
Damn.
It does look familiar because it ain't from you. It's from me.
No, it's
Not even from me.
It's
And Dad left it with me, bitch, and you took it from me.
Who owned that girl?
Not
us. The owner
That's
is
not one of them.
the owner is long gone.
It's long gone.
Yep, it is now in Shamela's possession.
Okay. We'll come confiscate some stuff. Some stuff that I ain't in for too. Leave a suitcase full of shit. Makeup and everything. Beware.
Oh, you definitely not allowed over here.
I'm moving in 2 weeks, so.
I'm gonna pull a you on you, Shamela.
I ain't never left a full suitcase full of stuff with you.
Okay, maybe not a suitcase full of stuff, but I'm gonna leave with some food.
In what world? Make sure to check your bag before you leave.
Right, like she'll do us. Let me see your bag.
Bro, come get your grandkids.
Please, they need a grandmother. That's what they need.
They need their ass whooped. That's what they need.
By you, not us.
I
I'm sick of whooping them.
My nose itch.
Look at those cute faces. I miss you guys.
Miss you too.
Shut the hell up.
Bro.
Ooh, I miss you guys. I said I miss y'all.
I said I miss you too.
Yeah, you better say it.
Dang.
What are you even doing?
Even you know.
My damn nose itch. The fuck? I ain't know. I don't do booger sugar.
Mom, I thought you was sending us Christmas gifts. You a motherfucking lie.
That was months ago.
Remember she said she was sending us Christmas
Man, y'all
gifts?
just made me fuck my eyebrow. I don't do nothing.
Those big makeup travel things.
You done, Chuck?
You be fucking flexing, bro.
Chuck.
Mom, what
Send
happened
me.
to my Christmas gift?
What happened to what?
My Christmas gift.
Your Christmas gift. Hold on. Let
Oh.
me tell you a story.
Oh, now she acting like
Shut
shit.
up.
What the fuck? I don't want to hear
$25
nothing.
about it. I'll give it to you. Go get your stuff.
No, I'm trying to get your damn earrings still.
Oh, okay. I got you, Naya. Don't worry, baby. It's been scattered all over the place lately, though.
I mean, you don't even have to buy nothing. You can go into your store in your room and send something.
I can go in the store in my room and do what?
And send something.
Send you something like what? You don't like what I wear. Only Shamela does.
You don't even know me.
What you say?
She said you don't even know me.
I don't know you. Girl, boo. I know both of y'all like everything that I got. Shut up. You wearing Jordans now?
Hell no.
Okay, so you don't like what I wear. Exactly. You can have my peach Vans. That's the only thing in there I got that you like.
Right. I ain't fucking with no Jordans. You know that.
Are you planning to come back to 78 anytime soon? I thought you would have took some shit while you was in there. At the house. Sheila always does.
But
No, I don't.
I'm always there for a little bit. I'm not there that long to be just swiping.
Swiping, no swiping. Babe.
Well,
Chuck.
don't worry if I come out there or next time you come there, I'll make sure to put some stuff in the bag for you. Like, shit.
Where your daddy at?
I throw out one of my leather jackets because it's all cut from heat, and I ain't never wore it.
That's what your ass get. All this shit you don't even wear.
Cameron went to the garage and said, Daddy, what are you doing?
That's what I did. Don't be a hater, alright?
I'm not.
Where
Where are you?
Shamela like stuff. Look at her collecting shit.
Where are you?
All that makeup and stuff.
I'm not
Where
collecting
are you?
anything. I'm a makeup artist. I use my products. Go put that back.
Where are you?
My daughters, they both are.
Who are you talking to?
Nowhere.
You're a lie. That's why I don't be fucking with your ass, man.
Mind your business because nobody talking to you.
Sir?
Alrighty.
Whoever the hell you are.
Look, she's trying to block it out. Get off my live. Bye.
Mom, are you with who I think you're with?
Y'all is pretty.
Mother,
Yes, baby.
are you with who I think you're with?
No.
You lying.
You're lying. This bitch stay lying.
I cannot fit anything of yours, lady.
Honey, you can fit everything of mine. Shut up. Even when you were smaller than what you are now, you was in my shit. Shut up.
Yeah, shirt. I can't fit a dress.
Why your butt's too
Your
big?
shirt.
No.
I think your butt's too big.
The fuck?
Like for mom.
I wish I was by you so I could bump you, Shamela.
What butt she got?
Wow. Sick and tired.
Hater. Alright. I'll come back to see what y'all look like when y'all done.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, you too, Hubba. Bye. Love you too. Dang, you don't even be saying shit when your mother tell you she loves you, ho.
If she really loved me, then.
No, fuck no. She's providing me gifts. She's not good for telling me she loves me.
You're a lie.
Ow.
I love you, baby.
I love you too.
Bye.
Bye. Get on my
Who the
live.
hell you with?
Bye.
Bro, get your nose out the camera. What the fuck? Get your nose all in the damn
You talking
camera.
about no nose, nigga? You got the same nose like that.
Yeah, but it ain't all in the goddamn camera. Boo.
It's all up in the camera.
Oh no.
I love you. I love blonde wig.
Yeah, me too.
Why about it?
Bye, mom.
I'm still that.
No, you're not.
I'm be a stripper for a day when I put it on too.
What?
Didn't you used to be a stripper? I've seen some
I'll be
strippers.
a stripper for a day when I put the wig on too.
But I've seen some strippers heels in your closet before. So you used to be a stripper.
I'm talking about some. No, goodbye. The fuck?
I love you. Bye.
Love you, bye. A hot damn
Oh, I love
minute,
you too,
and
bye.
she's still on my live.
She always does that. You talking about buying, be on the phone for a whole 5 more minutes being nosy.
Because I don't know. I haven't fucked the line.
Bye.
Bye.
Sick and tired. Black people.
Bro, we're at 24 minutes.
We ain't did
Just
shit.
browse. That's sad.
I'm trying to make sure my brows are
Me
good.
too.
Because since they're not cleaned up, I have to like actually make them.
Do you want to continue this?
I want some she ain't nowhere. Bitch, you
I'm
somewhere.
lying.
You fucking somewhere.
Then
That's
some
why you
nigga-
got your nose on.
Right. Some nigga talking in the background. Bitch, shut the fuck up.
Mind your goddamn business. Send
Anybody
me some
fucking
money.
talking to you, bitch?
Send me some money, nigga.
Give us some hush money.
Nah, I still ain't gonna hush. I'll still be running my mouth. Appreciate the gesture though. You turn it on?
Get on your James shit, bitch.
Wow.
Bro, in 2019, you bitches need to stop putting your hands on niggas.
Nah,
That ain't
bitch.
yours.
Oh yeah.
Like, if it's your baby daddy, beat that nigga's ass, period. That nigga needs his ass beat from time to time. But if a nigga ain't your baby daddy, why the fuck, or your husband, why you fucking putting your hands on him?
This sounds terrible.
Fuck.
You shouldn't put your hand on no nigga. Period.
No, sometimes your baby daddy, sometimes your daddy needs his ass beat, huh?
What the fuck you talking about?
My daddy.
Yeah, your daddy, nigga. Sometimes I gotta put them paws on that big ass nigga.
Don't say that. That have paws.
Okay, I'm sorry.
That's not very nice. You say.
That's not very nice.
Is that your best friend?
Yeah, they're my best friend. It's all when I was little.
I thought I was your best friend. You fake.